In today's video, I will teach you how to create a stunning profile picture for any platform using Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and type in profile picture in the search bar. Alternatively, you can also click on the plus icon at the tabs bar, and here you can make a custom-sized blank canvas. Or you can go to the social media option and pick the canvas that you would like to use. But for this video, I will choose a template from the template library. Here you can choose any template that you want, and you also have the option to apply filters to the designs. Just click on the All Filters option, and you can now filter out the designs based on your preferences. Once you've found the right design for you, just click on it, and Canva will show more designs similar to the one you pick. But you can also click the Customize Template button if you want to stick with your chosen design. To customize your profile picture, you can add graphics from the Elements tab on the left side. Here you can add lines and shapes, graphics, stickers, and more. You can even search up thousands of graphic elements by typing keywords on the search bar. Just take note of the crown icon attached to it because you will need to upgrade to Canva Pro to use these elements. Once you've added the element of your choice, you can also customize it by using the tools on the toolbar. You can also upload your own files in the Uploads tab, but Canva also provides free stock images and videos in their respective tabs. To add text to your design, just open the Text tab and choose which template suits your design best, or you can make your own by clicking on the Add Text box option. Now you have a stunning profile picture to spice up your social media. If you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can get updated whenever we upload new tutorials.